Welcome to Stern India Technology and Innovation Center, namely CITIC, Umargaon. Mr. Vaikar Uttam Kashinath, Director, Operations, Stern Ingredients India Private Limited and CITIC. He is a food technologist and flour milling technologist, having 32 years of experience in flour milling and food industries. He is heading the product development and R&D of Stern India Technology and Innovation Center.
Umargaon has become a hub for various industries, especially food industries. It is a chemical pollution-free zone, and among all industries, Stern Ingredients India Private Limited stands tall with all advanced technologies.
CITIC is launched by Messrs. Stern Ingredients India Private Limited, the trusted ingredients company in the service of milling and baking industries since many years, operating in collaboration with Messrs. Mühlen Chemie, Germany. CITIC is the one-stop center for technological and innovative solutions for milling and baking industries to achieve high-quality products. First time in India, a Stern India Technology Innovation Center with world-class, state-of-the-art infrastructural facilities for quality assessment of wheat products is established.
Stern India Technology and Innovation Center has most modern instruments and equipments coupled with pilot bakery for quality evaluation of wheat products and also for the preparation of bakery and Indian breads. CITIC has floor quality and dough rheology testing instruments. We have here Glutamatic, which gives us gluten quantity and quality index. We have here Brabender Farinograph, which gives us the water absorption and mixing profile of the dough. We can also test the improvers on this instrument. This instrument is Brabender Extensograph. This records stress strain curve and gives us the information of viscoelastic properties of the dough. We can know from this instrument resistance to extension and extensibility of the dough as well as the strength of the dough. This is the best instrument for finding out the efficacy of the improvers. From thereby we can make improver mixes. Here we have falling number apparatus. This instrument gives us the alpha amylase activity in the flour. Based on the falling number, we can correct the enzyme activity by adding alpha amylase into the flour. We invite the esteemed industry friends to come and join our hands in getting the solutions for their technological and innovative problems so that the benefits accrue for the industry and the consumers.
In spite of the fluctuations of wheat quality from season to season, we are able to maintain the flour quality throughout the year for the customers. Flour treated with improvers is again tested by rheology department to verify the expected results. Recommended flour with added improver samples are further tested for baking quality by the master bakers and bakery experts. All ingredients used in improvers, mixes and premixes are as per FSSAI norms limits. All improvers are custom-made for the Indian flour quality, climatic conditions and suitable to various range of products. Newly developed ingredients and improvers by us not only give better quality end products but also help customers to reduce the cost as well. Once the final approval is received from baking section, then the technology head sends the analysis report and recommendation to the customers to give them a satisfactory outcome. We are specialized in bromate-free improvers. In above production process, raw materials and finished product samples are collected batch-wise for quality confirmation. CITIC is inviting milling and baking industries for partnership to produce premium quality products and for best performance.
Star product.
Late Dr. G. Venkateswar Rao was the Technical Director at Stern India Technology and Innovation Centre. He was the former Director of Central Food Technology Research Institute. He had been the head of International School of Milling Technology, Baking and Confectionery Technology, Mysore. Dr. Rao was a valued and respected member of the team, whose contribution to the industry cannot be measured by any leaps.